morning everyone. How are you all? Fine. So once again, welcome back to your class. So today we are starting our October month syllabus. Okay, and in this we are having one chapter, that is the sorting hat. Okay, that is the sorting hat. So all of you be ready with your book and pencil. All of you get ready with your book and pencil. So here the sorting hat is written by Joanna Rowling. Joanna Rowling. He was better known as J.K. Rowling. He was better known as J.K. Rowling. And you might have seen Harry Potter stories. Yes or no? Many Harry Potter stories you have seen? All the Harry Potter stories are written by Joanna Rowling, or most probably we know him by the name J.K. Rowling. Okay, he has written his first book and it was published in he has written his first book in 1995, but he had given that books to many of the publishers to publish it, but no one has published it. No one. And finally in the year 1997 it was published and it became the most famous books. Okay, comic books or story books for children. So here the sorting hat is a story about Harry Potter. Harry Potter, he is an orphan boy whose mother and father were expired on one car accident. Okay, his father and mother were expired on one car accident. And these two this fellow and he was Harry Potter was staying with his uncle, aunt and cousins. Okay, he went to Hogwarts University. Okay, he went to that university where he has to see the magical tricks. He can see the magical tricks with witch and wizards. Okay, magical tricks he has to see and learn there. And this story is all about this story is about a boy. He has went to the Hogwarts school where we are having investiture ceremony. You people know? Not investiture ceremony. Actually, this is the ceremony where the newcomers, if they are joining to school, then they are divided according to the groups or school houses. Okay, once if any new student come to your school, he is allotted the house for which house he is from. Okay, we are having 4 different houses. Every schools are having their own houses. Okay, so here also this is the story where they have to select the house. Okay, according to their behavior, according to their character, they have to select their house. Okay, so this is all the story about your sorting hat. So all of you, are you ready to start the chapter? Ready? Now we will start. Okay. Put your pencil in your book. Harry had never even imagined such a strange and splendid place. It was lit by thousands and thousands of candles that were floating in mid-air over 4 long tables where the rest of the students were sitting. These tables were laid with glittering golden plates and goblets. At the top of the hall was another long table where the teachers were sitting. So here, once he is entering to that room, the room where the function is going on, when he has entered, what he has seen? Harry has never seen such an amazing, strange and a very beautiful place. Okay, it was a very beautiful place. He has never seen such place before. How was the place? The place was decorated with thousands and thousands of candles. Okay, it was decorated with all the candles. Candles that were floating in the mid-air. Means the candles which are floating in the air. In that room, in the air only they were floating. Over four long tables were that were floating in mid-air, and there were four long tables were there. Okay, four tables were there where all the students were sitting. The students who were there already in that school, they all were sitting. And the tables were laid with glittering golden plates and goblets. On the table there were golden plates. They were shining like gold. Okay, the plates were there and goblets were there. Goblets means olden days में cups were there. Okay, cup with long tail. ऐसे उसका handle बहुत लंबा रहता है. That is called as goblets. You can see the picture here. Okay, the glittering golden plates with goblets. And on the top of the hall, means hall at the top में one more table was there where all the teachers were sitting there. Okay, where all the teachers were sitting. Professor McGonagall led all the first years up here so that they come to a halt in a line facing the other students with the teachers behind them. Then here Professor McGonagall, he has led, means he has started and said, this is the first year up here. Means they are first joined here, it is the first year. So the one who is having the first year, please come front and stand on a line facing to the students, and they behind teachers are sitting. The hundreds of faces staring at them looked like pale lanterns in a flickering candlelight. When they were standing in a row, some hundreds of faces were just staring at them. Staring means looking continuously. Okay, staring means it will continuously look for something. Then we call it as staring. Continuously they are staring at them, and they are looking like pale lanterns in the flickering candlelight. Lanterns, you people know? When in the olden days, when current used to go off, they used to put lanterns. They have one dome. Okay, inside one lamp will be there. The transparent box will be there, which is usually made with glass. Okay, when you and one lid will be there. If you will put matchstick to that, it will light, and at the top of that you will put the protector. Okay, that is the lantern. And in the flickering candlelight, they are looking like pale lanterns with the flickering light. Flickering means the light which is there, जो आग उसमें से जो निकल रहा था लैंटर्न से, वो ऐसा फ्लिकर हो रहा है. Means it is not at all constant, it is just flickering. Dotted here and there among the students, the ghosts shone misty silver. They are just the dotted here and there among the students. They are just looking towards the student, and there they can see the ghosts. Okay, the ghosts, they are just shown misty silver. They are just looking at this shady silver. Misty मतलब जैसे धुआं धुआं होता है ना, वैसे उन लोगों को बीच बीच में ghosts दिख रहे हैं. Mainly to avoid all the staring eyes, Harry looked upward. and saw a velvety black ceiling dotted with stars. So, to escape from those all faces they are saying so strangely to him, to escape from those all, Harry, he is not looking to the students, he just looked to the top. Okay, he just looked to the top. What he has seen on the top, Harry looked that there was a velvety black ceiling. The ceiling is totally covered with velvety black ceiling, and on that they were having stars, dotted stars, somewhere stars they have pasted. He heard Hermione whisper. He heard that Hermione is whispering, "It's bewitched to look like the sky outside. I read about it in a Hogwarts, a history." So here Hermione whispers. Some whisper means say that it's bewitched. Means it's the changed by music. Means the music which was playing there, it was changed. Something different music came now. To look like the sky outside. Means it is just looking like the sky outside. And that he has read in the Hogwarts history. Before coming to the school, whatever the history he has read in his, from his home, that's what he was just remembering. It was hard to believe that there was a ceiling there at all, and that the great hall did not simply open onto the heavens. Harry quickly looked down against as Professor McGonagall silently placed a four-legged stool in front of the first years. On the top of the stool, he put a pointed wizard's hat. This hat was patched and frayed and extremely dirty. Aunt Petunia wouldn't have let it in the house. So here what happened? It was very hard to believe that. It is very hard to believe that there was a ceiling at the top with black velvety sky they have made. On that there was stress. If they open it, he is feeling that the great hell did not simply open onto the heaven. Means the hell which is there, that if it will open, then we will not directly go to the heaven. अगर वो खुलता है तो हम लोग डायरेक्ट स्वर्ग नहीं जा सकते हैं. Harry, when he is thinking all this, he has looked that, when he has looked down from there, he has seen that again as Professor McGonagall, what he has done, he has silently placed one stool. You know stool? This is a stool. Okay. He has placed one stool in front of the first year students. Okay. The students who were standing in a row. In front of them they have he has put one stool. And on the top of that stool he has put one wizard hat. Wizard hat means something different. Okay. It is looking very different. So it is a very old hat where it is stone somewhere where it is stone they have put some patches there. Okay, वो बहुत ही पुराना सा hat था जो फट गया था. जहाँ ज़्यादा फट गया था वहाँ पे ऐसे पैचेस लगे थे. ओके, और कुछ जगह में पूरा फट गया था. और क्या है, वो इतना धूल था, एक्सट्रीमली डर्टी, बहुत गंदा था. Aunt Petunia could not have let it in the house. Aunt Petunia जिसके पास ये रहता था, अगर वो रहते तो वो हैट को वो घर में कभी भी नहीं रखते. Maybe they had to try and get a rabbit out of it. Harry thought wisely. That seemed the sort of thing. Noticing that Everyone in the hall was now staring at the hat. He stared at it too. For a few seconds there was complete silence. Then the hat twitched. A rip near the brim opened, wide like a mouth, and the hat began to sing. So here what happened? There, he is thinking that once the hat they have kept, if they will open that cap, or if they pick that cap, then the rabbit will come from inside. Okay, the rabbit will come from inside, but nothing like that it was there. He was just staring at that hat. The room was complete silence. The room was completely silence. Okay, and everyone is looking at that hat, staring at that hat. After few seconds, there was complete silence. When there was complete silence, then the hat, from the top of the hat, okay, there was some jerk means there was a movement. ऐसे जो उसका hat ऐसे गिरा था वो ऐसे खड़े हो गया. Okay, and somewhere there was the opened wide, somewhere at the top he has opened its mouth as if it was its mouth. उसके मुंह के तरह उसके hat के बीच में एक mouth open हुआ. Okay, as the mouth has opened, then the hat started to sing a song. Okay, the hat which was there on the table, it has just twitched with a brim. Twitched means some way थोड़ा सा ऐसे हिला टाइप हुआ, और उसका hat का जो ऐसे गिरा हुआ था वो ऐसे खड़ा हो गया स्ट्रेट, और तो उसका मुंह एक तो ओपन हुआ और वहां से वो गाना शुरू कर दिया. It started to sing a song. So what was the song? Let us see. Oh, you may not think I am pretty, but don't judge on what you see. I will eat myself if you can find. Then he is saying that, oh you, don't think that I am pretty. The hat is saying, you don't think that I am pretty. Don't judge me by seeing at me. If I find, I can eat myself. Okay, don't judge by seeing immediately. If I think, then I can eat myself. A smarter hat than me, can you keep your ballers back? Your top hat slick and tall, for I am the Hogwarts sorting hat, and I can cap them all. The sorting hat cannot see. Here he is saying that smarter than me. No other hat is as smart as me. You can keep your ballers back. A hard black round hat. Whatever the hats these people are putting, he has to keep all the hats back. Your top hats, tall black hats, slick and tall. Saying that the tall black hat which is there, for I am the Hogwarts sorting hat. Here, as you are now you are the students of Hogwarts, so here you are the Hogwarts sorting hat, and I can cap them all. I can cap all of them, but the sorting hat cannot see. I can keep a hat in everyone who is standing there, but the sorting hat cannot see me. So try me on, and I will tell you where you ought to be. You might belong in Gryffindors, where dwell the brave at heart. They are daring, nerve, and rivalry, behaving in an honored way. griffins apart. So as I have told you that in the starting of the story that here the 4 houses are there. Okay, as above we are having Abhimanyu, Karan, all the houses are there, 4 houses. Like that only in Hogwarts also they are having 4 houses. Okay, so in the 4 houses the students are categorized according to their behavior and characters. Okay, so here the first one, the house is Gryffindor. Okay, in this Gryffindor house, what type of students were there in this house? Where dwell the brave at heart. From heart they are very brave. Okay, they are very brave and they are very daring. And they never nervous. They never nervous and they always behave in an honored way. Means well-mannered behavior they are having. Then such type of students, those who are well-mannered, those whose heart is very strong, those who are never nervous, they are very daring students, then those students will be under this house. Which house? Gryffindor house. Okay, this is the first house, Gryffindor house. Second, you might belong in Hufflepuff. This is the second, where they are just and loyal. Those patients, Hufflepuffs are true and unafraid of toil, or yet in wise old Ravenclaw. If you are a ready mind, where those of wit and learning will always find their kind. Okay, so the one who belongs to Hufflepuff, okay, the one who belongs to Hufflepuff, they are just very loyal, they are very kind-hearted, loyal students. Their patients, Hufflepuffs are true. They are true and they are unafraid of toils, means they are unafraid of anything. They are also very strong people. They are always wives of old Ravenclaws, means the old things which were there, whatever was there, they are wisely they take the decisions. And they are always ready with their mind. They are always ready with their mind. Whatever the things happen, they think to mind. Such type of people, and they are always ready to learn the things and to find new things from the learning. Whatever the things are there, they are ready to learn those things. Okay. At the same time when they are learning the things, at the same time they are also grabbing they also find new kind of things from that. Okay, they find new things from that. Okay, so that's why this type of people, the students, those who such type of people will come under Hufflepuffs. Okay, they come under Hufflepuffs. Or will always find their kind. Or perhaps in Slytherin. Slytherin is the third house. You will always your real friends. Those cunning folk use any means to achieve their ends. So put me on, don't be afraid, and do not get in a flap. You are in safe hands. Then here, the third house where the students, what type of students will be there, and the third house name is Slytherin. Okay, third house name is Slytherin. In this Slytherin, who will make their real friends? Okay, they make their friends, but they are very cunning towards their friends. Very cunning, very selfish. They want to achieve their ends. Always they think of themselves. how they will get, how they can do. They will not think for others. Okay, such type of cunning people will be there in this Slytherin house. And the hat is saying, whoever such type of people is there, they please come and put this hat in your head and make it sure that I am telling you, you are in the safe hand. Don't become worried or don't excited. Don't get very excited that I am thinking of myself so I can pick that. Don't do that. Whatever the characters as we just said in what type of group mein how in the house, in different houses, which type of people will be there. Okay, that such type of people will be there in those groups only. So here in Slytherins, what type of people were there? They are very cunning and selfish people. So these type of students have to be in this group, and they can pick the hat from there and they can put. Once they are putting, there is no need to worry or there is no need to go for any excitement. Okay, they can just do their work. Clear? And if the hat is saying that you just pick me up and put it. You remember that you are in the safe hands. You are in the safe hands. So till here I have explained you. Okay, we have read till the 3 houses. Okay, and in next class we will read about the fourth house. Okay, so your homework is just you will learn and write the word meanings of this chapter. Okay, what you will do, you will learn and write word meanings. Okay, whatever the word meanings are there, you will just learn and write. Okay everyone, bye, take care.